So Mr. CB, ICSE class 10th inequations revision. Okay, first question. A. X is greater than equal to minus 3 less than equal to 5. B is greater than minus 1 less than 8. Then represent the greatest value of A intersection B. Mr. CB.
So in this way, first one, let's first solve the inequation A.
Okay. So A lies between
minus 3 and minus 5. Minus 3 and 5.
B lies between
Minus 1 and 8.
minus 1 and 8. So what will be the greatest value of A intersection B? What will be A intersection B?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
See, Mr. Sivang, X belongs to real number.
Okay, so that would be X is greater than minus 1 but less than equal to 5.
Okay, so this is the intersection. Have you understood?
Yes.
So what will be the greatest value?
5.
Any doubt?
No.
So Mr. Sibang, how will we do question number 6? Find the value of X. How should we do this?
So first we will solve the inequation given.
Okay. So Mr. Sibang, whenever you see an inequation, what is the most important thing that you should note first?
So what is X? What does X belong to?
Yes, shabash. So like for example, in this equation, in the previous equation, the X belonged to a real number. But in this, you have to take care that the X belongs to natural number. Any doubt?
No.
So minus 2 less than equal to half minus 2x upon 3 less than equal to 1, 5 by 6. Now x belongs to natural number. The first thing is, note this first. We'll have two sets, minus 2 half minus 2x by 3. This is the first set, and the other set would be half minus 2x by 3 is less than equal to 6 1 by 11 by 6. This is Ivang, any doubt?
No doubt.
So when we take this part of the equation, 2x upon 3 half plus 2, this equation will become, once we solve this, this will become x is less than equal to 3 by 4. Any doubt?
No doubt.
So another thing that you need to take care is, because we are dealing with natural numbers. See, as long as we are dealing with natural numbers, things are absolutely okay. But once we start dealing with natural numbers and integers, then you will need to take care. And I'll just tell you what do I mean when I say that you need to take care. So this part is clear, that x is less than equal to 3 by 4. Now we need to solve this. Half minus 2x by 3 is less than equal to 11 by 6. When you solve this, you will find that x is greater than or equal to minus 2. You can solve and you can find this answer. Any doubt till here?
No doubt.
And now becomes the critical part. Let us see this, that x is greater than equal to minus 2. Yeah. So, and x is less than equal to 3 by 4. So here you have 3 by 4. And x is less than equal to 3 by 4. Now, just take care, because x belongs to natural number. So x won't go till here. X will actually start from here, 1. Any doubt till here?
No doubt.
So x will actually start from here. So it will be 1, it will be 2, it will be 3. Again, it won't go till 3 by 4. It will just end here. So the only 3 numbers that you require are 1, 2, and 3. Mr. CB, any doubt?
No doubt.
So that is why whenever you are solving inequations, the first thing that you need to take care is what is x belongs to. So like in previous question, the x belongs to real number. Yeah, any doubt?
No doubt.
So Mr. Sivang, next question, question number 2. Again, we need to observe the intervals first. So 3x minus 2 is greater than 4, less than equal to 3. See, x belongs to natural number. And here the x belongs to integer. Mr. Sivang, any doubt?
No doubt.
So let us tackle this first. So 3x minus 2 is greater than 4. So 3x is greater than 6. X is greater than 2. And the other part is 3x minus 2 is less than equal to 13. So 3x is less than equal to 15. X is less than equal to 5. Now, if we look at the number line, so x is between 2 and 5. Any doubt?
No doubt.
But because x is a natural number, so the only numbers that we have is 3, 4, and 5. Any doubt?
No doubt.
So here there seems to be a problem. So the solution of A should be 3, 4, 5. Mr. Sivang, is it okay?
No doubt.
And then we look at the B. Now B, when we solve for B, B would be 5 plus 7x is greater than equal to minus 2. 7x would be greater than equal to minus 7. X would be greater than equal to minus 1. And 5 plus 7x would be less than 40. 7x would be less than 35 and x would be less than 5. Therefore, x lies between minus 1 and 5. And therefore, B would be minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Mr. CB, any doubt?
No doubt.
So for second part, our answer should be A. Any doubt earlier?
No doubt.
And then what we need is what will be the element of A intersection B. A intersection B means that we need the elements which would both be in A as well as B. And because we don't agree with this, any of the parts given here, so our answer would differ. A intersection B as for us would be 3, 4. Mr. CB, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So it would be A part. What would be the elements of A union B? A union B implies both A and B. So minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, as well as 5. Do we agree to this?
Yes.
And therefore our answer will be fourth is D part, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do we agree to this?
Yes.
Great, sir. So Mr. Sivang, x belongs to whole number. And the solution set of this, how should we do this question?
So we have to first solve the equation.
3x plus 11 is greater than equal to x plus 8. So 2x is greater than equal to minus 3. X is greater than equal to minus 3 by 2. So what should be the answer?
And so we have to first say that x belongs to W, which means whole number.
Okay. So whole numbers start from. So what are the whole numbers? Give any examples of whole numbers.
Anything greater than 0. Anything equal to greater than 0.
So 0 would be the first whole number. What would be the second whole number?
0, 1, 2, 3 till infinity.
Okay. So x is greater than equal to minus 3 by 2. So what should be the solution set?
0, 1, 2, 3, infinity.
So C is the correct answer?
Yes.
Great, sir. How should we do question 6? Find the values
So,
of x. Yeah.
So we have to solve the equation first.
Okay, so we'll solve half minus 2x by 3 And when we solve this, we will get x is greater than equal to -2. The second is we have to solve this part of the inequation, this part. So this will be half minus 2x by 3 is less than equal to 11 by 6. So when we solve this, the answer that we get is x is less than equal to 3 by 4. So what should be the answer, Mr. CB?
So we have to first see what does x belong to. It belongs to a natural number. So x belongs to natural number is anything which is equal to or greater than 1. It does not include 0. So the correct solution set for this would be 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Correct. So B would be the correct answer.
Yes.
Great. So how should we do question number 2?
So we have to solve both the equations first and get the value of x.
So 3x minus 2 is greater than 19. 3x is greater than 21. X is greater than 7. So this is one part of the equation. 3 minus 2x is greater than equal to -7. Now 3 plus 7 is greater than equal to 2x. 10 is greater than equal to 2x and x is less than equal to 5. So what should be the answer, Mr. Siva? X is less than equal to 5.
Yes.
And x is greater than 7. So what should be our answer?
So actually there is an option that depicts that x is
correct. So x is greater than 7. I can only see this. X is greater than 7, x is greater than 7. And x is less than equal to, actually this should be less than equal to 5. Yeah, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How should we do question number 13? X belongs to integer.
So we have to solve the equation.
So 3x is less than -4, x is less than -1 by 3. See, x belongs to integer. So 3x plus 5 is less than equal to 11. 3x is less than equal to 6. X is less than equal to 6. So x is less than,
And so on.
sorry, x is, yeah, x is less than -1 by 3. Actually, we made a mistake here. 3x plus 1 is greater than 1. Is 3x plus 5 is greater than 1. So 3x is greater than -4. X is greater than -1 by 3. So if I take this on number line, so -1 by 3 would be here, -1 would be here, and 6 would be here. So what should be the solution, Mr. Siva?
So because you have -1, so -1 counts as an integer. And so the solution set would be -1, 0, 1, 2.
-1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it correct?
So it is not correct, sir, because 3x is smaller than equal to 6, so x will be smaller than equal to 2.
There's another, yeah, there's another mistake here. So x is less than equal to 2. Now is it fine?
Yes, it is not.
So it should be 2 here.
Okay.
And the solution would be -1, 0, 1, 2. I think now it is correct. So -1, 0, 1, 2 is correct answer. Great. So 37 minus 3x plus 5 is greater than 9x minus 8x minus 3. So 37 minus 3x minus 5 is greater than equal to 9x minus 8x plus 24. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, when you solve this, you will get x is less than equal to 2. So what is the correct answer?
So B.
B is the correct answer. Okay. So, and the second part is that how do we plot this on the number line? So what should be the correct answer?
B.
Less than 0, 1, 2, and less than 0, 1, 2. So though x is not mentioned, we'll assume that x belongs to a real number. Is it correct?
Yes.
So 0, 1, 2. This should be the right answer. Mr. CB, any doubt?
All right.
So the important thing that we have learned is when we are doing all these linear equations, one of the thing that you need to understand is just keep this in mind that you need to identify whether the x belongs to integer or it belongs to real number or it belongs to natural number or it belongs to whole number. So that is the first thing that you need to understand. The second thing that you need to understand is that usually all these questions where you will have x is greater than equal to minus 17 by 5 and x belongs to integer. See, these kind of questions are tricky for a simple reason. For a simple reason that you need to reduce questions like these to mixed fractions. So this will be 5 3 the 2 by 5. So x is greater than or equal to minus 3 2 by 5. You need to identify this on the number line. So minus 3 2 by 5 would be here and minus 3 would be on the left side or the right side, Mr. Siba?
Minus 3 would be on the left side.
On the left side. This side or this side?
So the which side? So with what reference?
This is 0, this is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3, this is minus 4. Any doubt?
Or else
So if x belongs to integer and x is greater than equal to minus 3 2 by 5, so where would my integer start? Where would my solution set start?
right side.
So what will be the first number in the solution set?
Minus 3.
Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So I repeat, whenever you see fractions like these, and especially if there is a negative sign, you need to be, and usually it becomes very tricky when it is a integer. You need to be very clear using the number line. The first thing that you can do is represent this as mixed fraction. So this will be equal to minus 3 2 by 5 5 to the 15 7. So if this is minus 3 2 by 5, Mr. Sivang, and 0 is this side, so minus 3 would be on left side or right side? So this is minus 3 2 by 5. Minus 3 would be on the left side or the right side?
Minus 3 would be on the right side.
Minus 3 would be on the right side. This would be minus 2, this would be minus 1, this would be 0. So the first element would be of the solution set would be
Minus 3.
Minus 3. And let us assume that x is what we have been given is that x is previously it was x is greater than equal to minus 17 by 5. Now let us assume that x is less than minus 17 by 5. So what should be the first number in the solution set? And x belongs to integer.
Minus 3.
I'm sorry.
So it should be minus.
Sorry.
Minus 3.
See, x is less than minus 3 2 by 5. So the number should be, the first integer should be less than this. See, these are greater numbers. So the lesser numbers would be on the left side.
Minus 4. Minus 4.
So what would be the first number?
Minus 4.
Do we have any doubt about this?
No.
Okay, let us take another example. X is less than minus 17 by 4. So how should I write this? And X belongs to integer. How should I solve this?
So we have to first turn the fraction into a mixed fraction.
Yeah. What will be the next mixed fraction?
4 1 by 4.
So minus 4 1 by 4 lies here. And what is this side and what is this side? What is this side?
Minus 5 and the right side is minus 4.
So what should be the solution? What will be the first solution? X belongs to integer.
So minus 5 minus 6 minus 7.
Any doubt?
No.
And let us assume that X was greater than minus 17 by 4. X is greater than minus 4 1 by 4. So what should be the first?
Minus
First
1.
minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. Any doubt?
No doubt.
So in equations, it becomes critical that you, whenever you see a mixed fraction, you should be clear. Usually this becomes tricky. And if this is negative, this becomes extra tricky. So it is always important to understand, and I'll repeat that in number line, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3. Please remember, if you are here, and let us assume that this is minus 2.5. Is it correct?
Yes.
So X greater than minus 2.5 would be on the left side or the right side?
On the left side. The right side.
This side would be X greater than minus 2.5. And X less than minus 2.5 would be left side or right side?
Left side.
This, all the numbers which lie here, we are assuming X to be a real number. So all the numbers which lie on the left side would be X less than minus 2.5. This negative side, usually it becomes very tricky. Any doubt, Mr. Simang?
No doubt.
Great.